Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Western Digital WD GREEN M.2 2280 SSD. As you can see, this is an NVMe SSD drive. Not just that, this particular solid state drive comes with 480 GBs of memory and 3 years of warranty. It has a read speed of 545 megabytes per second. Do you have any more information? You can see the product through here, and that's more or less it. I will now open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have, first up, a technical support and limited warranty guide from Western Digital. Everything that you want to know, specification, do's and don'ts, cautionary tips and tricks, etc. How to install, how to set up, everything is given over here. And this is what the WD GREEN M.2 2280 solid state drive looks like. As you can see, this is an NVMe drive. It has 480 GBs of memory, and this was manufactured on 24th of April 2021. So this is more or less a fresh piece. So one thing you should note is that this, as you can see, is wafer thin. This is a NVMe solid state drive. This will connect directly to your motherboard. You have to make sure that the motherboard that you have has compatible slots. So basically make sure it has this particular slot. Usually any motherboard from the last any PC or laptop motherboard from the last, say, 3-4 years will have this slot. This is not that older technology, not that newer technology rather, but and yeah, that's more or less it. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the WD GREEN M.2 2280 solid state drive. Thank you for watching.